Hey fam, Aaliyah here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video where I will be showing you guys the faux ponytail hack and how to get like a seamless faux ponytail look with weave. So I was very much inspired by Aaliyah's face. I will link her video down below, and if I can figure out how to like put the video in the screen, like the eye in the screen, I'll do that. But I was very much inspired by Aaliyah's face. She did a video, I was like, I never seen this trick before. So she did a video in which she did sleek like ponytails with weave, and her method, I was like, oh my gosh, that's genius. I never thought of that method. I've never heard of it. I've never seen it before. So I was like, I'm gonna try that. Okay, Aaliyah, girl, I love you, girl. You so funny, you so beautiful. So I was very much inspired by you. So I mean, my ponytails are a little off, but actually I kind of look like I'm going to a football game. You know those football girls who pretend to like enjoy football? Yeah, I don't really care about football at all. Like, but you know, I kind of look like a varsity girl, a varsity cheerleader. Yes, I got these sherbet coordination going on with the eyes and the color of my shirt. I think this style is so cute. This hair is by Yiroo hair. Listen, I don't know, girl. Something like that. This is their Malaysian water wave hair. I co-washed these bundles and they look really good. I was kind of concerned that my natural hair wouldn't exactly match the bundles because my hair is of a lighter brown shade. But honestly, it doesn't really look too off. I was actually gonna dye my hair black just for this video, but I was like, Aaliyah, that's doing way too much. Gosh, I'm in love. I love this look. It's like so cute. And it's kind of imperfect, but I kind of like the way the imperfection looks. So without further congé, if you are interested in seeing how I attempted to follow Aaliyah's face tutorial on how to seamlessly have a sleek ponytail or two sleek pigtails with weave, girl, with fake hair, with bundles, with tracks, then stay tuned, keep on watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. This video is in partnership with Yiroo hair. I think that's the correct pronunciation, okay? Of course it comes with lashes. I got the 22-inch Malaysian. Actually, you know, don't even quote me on the inches. It'll be down below, but this is their Malaysian water wave hair. I got 4 bundles, so I can use 2 bundles on each ponytail. Very beautiful. The wefting is basic, you know, it's very standard. I got a closure with it. Again, the dimensions will be down below. This is a 4x4 closure. And to begin, my hair is blow dried. I know she looks a little dry, honey, but she's very moist, okay? I look a little, you know what? I look a little busted in these few clips before I put my makeup on. Don't mind it. But anyways, I'm going to take an edge brush just to like zigzag part my hair for the first like 2 zigzags. And then I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair down the middle for the rest of the way, because your girl can't see back there. So I'm just going to part it down the middle. I think I did a pretty good job. You know, I'm not the best at parting. I hardly do like my real hair, so I think I did a good job. I'm going to use some Eco Styler gel and some Gorilla Snot glue gel to really slick down my hair, because I have very coarse hair, so I need really good hold gels to really keep my hair slick. So I'm just going to put that on the perimeter of my hair, and I'm going to take a smoothing brush, and first I'm putting on the Eco Styler gel. So I'm just going to smooth it on the edges, and as I take another brush, it'll be the Denman brush, the gel will distribute, girl. Ooh, getting a little tongue tied. It'll distribute throughout like the rest of my hair. So I'm just taking that smoothing brush with the Eco Styler gel first, and then I'm going to go in with the Gorilla Snot gel. This gel is really good if you have coarse hair. Like, it'll really slick your hair down. So I really love this gel. And I'm just taking the Denman brush to really distribute the gel to like the body of my hair. Okay, not the ends, because we don't want gel on that, just the body. So I put gel on the perimeter and then brush it through so it evenly distributes. So I'm not putting too much gel on my hair. I don't want to cake my hair up with gel. And then I'm just trying to find the right place where I want my ponytail to be, smoothing my hair, making sure there's no ridges, there's no bumps. And then I'm going to take a very thick ponytail holder. You can get them anywhere, girl. The beauty supply store. Secure it. I'm going to put a little bit more gel on the perimeter of my hair, and I'm taking this edge brush and I'm just going to create some cute baby hair action, some cute waves. I can't do this unless I have a real good gel in my hair because my hair doesn't want to like stick or stay when I do baby hairs. So this Gorilla Snot gel really helps like me make waves in my hair, me make baby waves. Oh my gosh, I can't speak today. And after I do that, now we're just going to do a classic braid, girl, throughout the hair, like from root to tip, okay, from base to tip. And then we're going to secure it with another thick ponytail holder. You want it to be thick because Aaliyah said to make it thick, and you're just going to wrap it around. I know it's a little awkward to have a thick ponytail holder at the ends, but you want one. I'm going to use 2 bundles. Get you a C needle with some thread. Okay, I'm using 2 bundles, so I'm putting them side by side together. I'm taking the C needle and putting it through the end of both of the tracks, and now you're going to sew that into the ponytail holder. Don't sew it into your hair, okay? Sew it into the ponytail holder. That's why we want a thick ponytail holder. I don't know how many times you should sew it. Just sew it enough to where it's secure, and then you're just going to tie a knot and cut off the excess string. So it's very easy. If you have a C needle, if you have a string, you're good. Or not string, thread, cut off the ends. And now all we're going to do is wrap the track or wrap the wefting around your braid. So just start from the bottom and work your way all the way up to the base of your braid where the other ponytail holder is. So just watch me do this. It's a very easy, simple concept. It did take me a while because these bundles were actually super long. I had 2 bundles, so I had to work to keep them together. And it was thick, so it was getting kind of tangled. So this did take me a while, but just take your time. You don't want to rush it. You don't want to knot up the hair. You don't want to tangle the hair. So while you're watching me do this, let me just give you some little deets of this hair. After I co-washed the hair, it really brought out like the beauty of the Malaysian water wave. Because when you first get the hair, it just looks a little limp. The texture doesn't look the best. So that's why I like to co-wash it with some conditioner, rinse it out, let it air dry. And this hair texture is beautiful. The hair is very thick, very lustrous, very sheeny, very nice. I didn't put any other product in it besides the conditioner, which I rinsed out. So if you just rinse this out with conditioner, it really doesn't need any other products. And the packaging, you guys see the box? Like, the box is beautiful. I love when brands have like beautiful packaging. It just shows their professionalism, and it shows that they're very serious about their brand. They're serious how their brand is presented. You know, I just like that professionalism and that marketing, honey. Yes, Yiroo. And as I work my way all the way up to the top, I still have a lot of track left. So all I'm going to do is just continue to wrap it around the ponytail until I make it to the end. And because I couldn't really secure the last bit of weft, I'm just going to go ahead and take a bobby pin and pin it into my ponytail. Yes, you could kind of see where the bobby pin was, but there was nothing I could do about it. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of hair and wrap it around the base of the ponytail to sort of hide the rest of the tracks and hide the bobby pin a tad, but you can still see it, but it's okay. I kind of liked that imperfection look. And this is how you do the faux ponytail hack. Thanks to Aaliyah's face. Thank you, girl, for like showing the peoples this hack, because I'm now in love. Okay, I'm just gonna like comb out the hair to like give it some volume, give it some fluff, because I really wanted a thick ponytail. It looks so good. I was so happy. I was like, yes, Aaliyah. And this is what the other side looks like. It's a little lopsided, but you know, it's cute. You know, I kind of like the imperfection. The hair was really long. It touched my stomach, so I really like the fullness and the length of this hair. And this completes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you made it this far and you enjoyed my content. I would love to have you become one of the home girls. Before I close out this video, I do want to go ahead and give a post notification shout out to Kiana. Thank you so much, girl. You're always supporting me. You're always showing me love. I appreciate you so much. I appreciate your support, being subscribed to my channel, always commenting and showing me love. If you would like an appreciation shout out in one of my videos, and sure, girl, you are subscribed to my channel, of course, tap that bell to be notified of my future uploads, and hashtag notification gang or squad after your comment. I love you guys so much, and until next time, always remember to serve, honey, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.